If you change your thoughts and you can change your world. All time not necessary to win. Sometime depending for relationship. If you make a strong relationship, need to lose. Perfection is not attainable, but we chase perfection, we can change excellence. Keep your face always toward the sunshine and sun shadows all fall behind you. The best time for you to hold your tongue is the time if you feel must say something or must. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. We must find time to step a think the people who make a difference in our lives. The biggest adventure you can ever take is live and life of your dreams. We are all humans and we need opportunities. If opportunity does not knock your door, build a door. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree to a long time ago. Never cry for the person who hurts you. Just simple smile and say thank you for giving me a chance to find someone better than you. Don't compare yourself life to others. There's no comparison to between the sun and moon. They shine when it's their time. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. I can't teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. If your handwriting is bad, it means your brain is working faster than your hands. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson change a relation, change a person. Honesty is always one of the best key to make a good relationship. A tongue has no bones, but it is stronger enough to hurt someone. Choose your words carefully and build your good relationship. Not hurt anyone. Standing alone is better than standing with people who hurt you. When nails growing, we cut nails, not fingers. Similarly, when misunderstanding grow up, cut your ego, not your relationship. Do everything with a good heart and expect nothing in return, and you will never be disappointed.